So Tails, what do you want to do today? I don't know, what do you want to do today? We should play some video game. Okay, Ray. What was that? I don't know what that was. It came from over there. I'll go check it out. Good luck. Meanwhile, while Ray was running. Man, I was running forever. Wait, I think I see something in the distance. What for? Yeah, another day, another explosion. Yep. So you were the ones who made the explosion. Yeah, so what's wrong with making explosions? It could explode the chemical plant. No, it won't. Okay, it's time for the ultimate TNT. The biggest TNT ever. The Mega TNT! Oh, hell no. That's the last thing I'll not let them do. Stop! Yeah! Lit the TNT! You idiots! You know that can blow up the whole chemical plant. And it can blow up a whole entire place. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thanks a lot, you three. Now I have to go back in time to fix the chemical plant. Well, sorry. We didn't know this was gonna happen. Going back in time. Yes, we fixed the chemical plant. Yep. Now come on, we're gonna go get some chili dogs. Are you coming with me? Alright, yeah. Yay, yes. Oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about.